सीढ़ी पे रहना, अभी बोल रहे हैं सीढ़ी पे।
थोड़ा पीछे
भाई
जाओ
भाई
ना।
पीछे आ जा, चल
ये पीछे जाओ ना।
अरे पीछे ही हम लोग यार।
सीढ़ी पे आ जाओ, बारिश आ रहा है।
हाँ एक मिनट मैम
बारिश वाली
अरे वहाँ मत यहाँ पर यार।
पीछे आओ, मैम यहाँ पर, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना
मैम लेफ्ट टू राइट हाँ मैम राइट राइट राइट
ये भाई मैम यहाँ पर
मैम लुक सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर
मैम लुक सेंटर
हाफ राइट मैम हाफ राइट
हाफ राइट
थैंक यू
निकल तो रहा है। थोड़े पीछे जाओ ना।
सर ऊपर मैम लुक सेंटर सर
पहले निकल सकते
स्टार्ट हियर नोरा, एक नंबर नोरा स्टार्ट हियर मैम, एक मिनट हो गया नोरा।
सर लेफ्ट में देखिए दोनों जन
भाई यहाँ पे सेंटर में सोलो सोलो सर, बहुत सर आपका सोलो सर, राइट सेंटर में सर सेंटर सेंटर एक्सट्रीम राइट होल्ड सर सेंटर में स्टार्ट हियर नोरा सेंटर
मैम लेफ्ट टू राइट हाँ लेफ्ट टू राइट
हाँ ये रतन नोरा सेंटर नोरा
थैंक यू
चलो
मंडल आभारी मनोज अंकुर
Come inside.
Big time. That's a good one. Thank you. Take one of the gray hair.
देखो 10-5 बोला और उससे पहले ही हो गया. So we are about to start. Request you wonderful people to kindly settle down. आज स्माइल्स कुछ ज्यादा ही हैं. अच्छी बात है. before we begin, इज्जत, फर्ज, देश, या फिर I'm gonna add something to it, या फिर when you discharge your duties properly, लोग क्या कहेंगे उसके बाद, is the big question. And ऐसे ही बड़े सारे सवाल हैं जिनके जवाब ढूंढने के लिए the makers have done everything, and this is, you know, there's so much that has been talked about this one of the biggest encounters in the history of Indian, independent India. लेकिन फिर भी a lot of people just shy away from taking it up. But यहाँ पे the makers have done it. Give it up for T-Series, MA Entertainment, JA Entertainment, and Bake My Cake Films, ladies and gentlemen. बनता है a big round of applause for these wonderful people. We know T-Series, you know, after giving us all the chartbusters, now they're giving us all the blockbusters. Line से फिल्में हैं और line से कमाल की फिल्में हैं, and they've collaborated with MA Entertainment इससे पहले भी, talking about Satyamev Jayate, Airlift, and now this movie. JA Entertainment के बारे में क्या कहा जाए भाई, नाम में ही इतना दम है, बहुत दमदार है. John Abraham is, leading the pack. Yes, that's what I was waiting for. And, it's always about meaningful cinema when it comes to JA Entertainment. Bake My Cake Films, again, a brilliant collaboration with all the other production houses. और content-driven cinema की जब हम बात करते हैं, I think ये चारों जो production houses हैं, they've done wonders in the past. They're gonna do wonders this time also with Batla House, ladies and gentlemen, जो कि आ रही है 15 अगस्त को. It's about independence from terrorism. It's about that feeling of patriotism, जिसको ये सब लोगों ने इससे पहले भी बहुत कमाल ढंग से दिखाया है, and I'm sure they're going to do it this time again. It's an emotion. It's not just a trailer that we're going to be showing you. It's an emotion. एक भारतवासी के दिल का emotion है. It's an expression कि यार ये क्यों होता है, ऐसा होता है तो क्यों होता है, और अगर ऐसा होता है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. हम देखेंगे हमारा टॉप कॉप इसमें क्या करता है. Another question, comparison की बात नहीं है, but जब surgical strikes होते हैं तो we are all very proud of it, and of course होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए. लेकिन जब एक encounter होता है, why do we always suspect the cops involved? Why do we suspect the people? Why do we challenge the integrity? Why do we always say यार ये तो fake होगा? तो इसी सब के और ऐसे बहुत सारे जवाब आपको आज मिलेंगे. हमने कभी किया नहीं है ऐसा, लेकिन ट्रेलर दिखाने के पहले I'd like to invite on stage the director, the man behind all this, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Nikhil Advani. And once again, I'm saying it's a brave attempt. Welcome, sir. And बहुत दूर से आए हैं, 7 समंदर पार से he's come here to grace the occasion, है ना? Sir, congratulations. मैं पहले से इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because we seeing this packed house यहाँ पे, and बहुत excitement है. What do you have to say? If you have to say something before the trailer.
It's not what I have to say. It's what I want to ask all the people who have gathered over here, because when people keep coming to me and telling me Batla House, matlab kya? Is it a story of dwarves in a house? Keep coming, and they keep telling me these midgets के क्या story है, क्या कर रहे, क्या नहीं कर रहे. So it was a little. I mean, when we started working on it, we even for me to understand what Batla House was and what the encounter was. Yeah. It took me time, and luckily for me, Ritesh Shah, who's sitting over here and who actually should be on stage with me. Yes. Ritesh, come please. Yeah.
The writer of the film.
So Ritesh is not just the writer of the film. He basically so what happens usually with us is that a director thinks about something and says that this is what I want to do, and then he hires a writer. In this case, Ritesh hired me. He came to me and said, "Sir, I've written a script. I've been working on it for a year and a half, and it's just I think that the director of D-Day should be doing this film." And at that time, we were not talking to each other, actually. And so it took a lot for Ritesh to come across and say, "Okay, I want to share the script with you." And we worked on that for 4 years. So Batla House was something that even I had to understand. I'm from Bombay. I don't know what Batla House is. If you ask people in Delhi, if you ask people in the north of India, they all know what it is. It's very, very controversial. So when we use the word encounter, the first thing that comes to our mind is the police ने जाके वहाँ पे किसी को गोली मारी और बोला कि यार ये so and so underworld person या terrorist या जो भी है died in an encounter. So the word encounter has been used very, very has been used in negative connotation for where we are concerned. But when I spoke to the subject of the film, and I asked him that why do you think that a film should be made about this, and he said that this was 4 years ago, before actually the word surgical strike had become novel, and had become fancy, and had come into our dictionary. He said encounter equals surgical strike equals keeping India safe. If we don't do the encounters, then we will not be able to go in and find out the people who are already within the country, who are already creating, who are already within the country and are here to subvert the peace of this country. Surgical strikes happen outside the country. They happen in our borders. Encounters happen inside. And so that is something that really drove me to want to make this film, you know. And I'll ask Ritesh,
Please.
What, I mean, if you, why?
I think when it came to making films about fake encounters, the industry was the first one to put their hands up and make films about the fake encounters. And that has led to a perception. But this film is about what if the enemy is right? What if it was a genuine encounter? And how...
तालियां सर आ जाइए आप शाह साहब is like हाँ ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ रुको so we just saw it and we loved it. Okay, अभी और भी मैं बाकी लोग जो हैं उनको बुलाना चाहूँगा. The most important people, ladies and gentlemen, who backed this project, and as I said, it's a brave attempt. Give it up for the one, the only Mr. Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Monisha Advani, Miss Madhu Bhojwani, and Big My Cake Films, Mr. Sandeep Lesel, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise for them. Banta hai, that jazba has to be there, and it is there, I know. It's time to invite the beautiful and the very talented cast, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, JA ko baad mein bulane wala hu main. Give it up for Nora Fatehi, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise for the beautiful lady over here. The very talented, the very gorgeous Mrunal Thakur. And now, dhamaka hona chahiye, zordar taliyon se, the producer, the main man, the boss. Give it up for John Abraham. Welcome. It's such an honor, you know, to be a part of this launch today. We'll have a quick photo up and then we'll take it forward. Thoda sa. We good? Oh, we've got 2 rows. Amazing. We'll do a full-fledged photo op. We'll do it. जैसा पता ही आपको. We good? Thank you so much. Yeah, we have a couple of questions, जो कि I'm sure यहाँ पे बड़े सारे burning questions आने वाले हैं. लेकिन no, I won't let you go. Please come here. Thank you. All right. So first and foremost, Ritesh sir and Nikhil sir, एक चीज जो हम जानना चाहते हैं. We saying that ये real story है और हमने facts बिल्कुल सही रखे हैं. That is what the entire nation is talking about. So sir, कैसे पता?
So 19 September 2008 को अगर आप कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लो उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि there was an operation that was conducted in Batla House, Delhi, जहाँ पे 2 boys were killed, 2 boys escaped and 1 boy was captured.
Right.
उसके बाद there was a version which is that the boys were students. There was a version which is the boys were terrorists.
Yes.
So you can read a lot. Lots has been written. The case went on for 3 years after that. We lost a very senior police officer was martyred in that operation.
Yes.
तो रितेश ने मेरे आने से पहले 1.5 साल उसके पहले मेरे आने से पहले उसने काफ़ी रिसर्च की थी उसके बारे में. एंड रितेश, व्हाई डोंट यू?
See, in such subjects, political monkey balancing is not possible. आपका एटीट्यूड क्या है, आपके अपने बिलीव्स क्या हैं, बहुत साफ होने चाहिए.
जी.
तो उस कमरे में ना तो मैं था ना आप थे. रिसर्च कुछ हद तक आपकी चीज़ों को बैक कर सकती है. परफेक्ट कोई भी एविडेंस नहीं होती. कोर्ट का जजमेंट ऑब्वियसली है जो फेवर में है. और उसके अलावा जितने भी उस टाइम के जर्नलिस्ट हैं, कुछ बाद में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना ट्यून चेंज किया है. बट इस बहुत जेन्युइन और टॉप नॉच जर्नलिस्ट जो थे, जो इन इश्यूज़ पे लिखते थे, जैसे प्रवीण स्वामी थे, आशीष खेतान थे, उन्होंने इस एनकाउंटर की जेन्युइननेस के बारे में काफ़ी सारा प्रूफ दिया है. कई सारी ऑडियो टेप्स हैं, एविडेंस है, फ़ोन कॉन्वर्सेशंस हैं, मटेरियल कैसे प्रोक्योर हुआ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई थिंक एक बहुत वॉल्यूमिनस रिसर्च इसका अवेलेबल है. जो खुद इसका फैसला करना चाहता है वो हमारी जजमेंट ना माने. बहुत सारी रिसर्च है. बट हाँ, एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है जो मैं बार बार दोहराता हूँ. जिन लोगों को एनकाउंटर्स के लिए आपने इतने सालों तक कभी राइटली कभी रॉन्गली बदनाम किया है, व्हाट इफ दैट एनिमी इज राइट, उसके बारे में पिक्चर है, आप देखिए.
And I must congratulate the entire team because जिस दिन से teaser आया है, people are actually swearing by the facts. और जो हम स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, they are like, you know, they have to watch it and they want to know the truth. You know, this one's for Mr. Bhushan Kumar. Sir, blockbuster pe blockbuster, after chartbusters, you know, after the music industry, now it's film production and you ruling it. When you produce a film, or should I say when you back a film of this kind, you know, what is that one thing? खुद को कितना फख्र महसूस होता है? Because this is something जो हम लोगों के अंदर का जज्बा जगा दिया.
See, when you produce a film like this, हमेशा अंदर से एक वो फीलिंग आती है कि आप एक ट्रू सिनेमा लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हो, और एक चीज़ जिसके बारे में आई थिंक अभी तक कन्फ्यूजन मतलब लोगों के दिमाग में है, और कई लोगों को ये बात पता भी नहीं. मतलब इनफैक्ट मुझे भी इतनी तरीके से मालूम नहीं थी, दो आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक था जब निखिल ने मुझे आके बताया कि आई वांट टू, एंड दिस निखिल आई थिंक ही टोल्ड मी 3 years बैक कि ये एक फिल्म है जो मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ. एंड दैट टाइम वी वर नॉट थिंकिंग ऑफ कि अभी कौन किस में कास्ट होगा. एंड व्हेन आई थिंक व्हेन जॉन हर्ड इट एंड व्हेन जॉन एंड वी ऑल मेट एंड वी वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो जॉन इज द perfect guy for this, performing this role. So it was a very interesting journey.
Congratulations on this. You know,
Thank
we just
you,
saw the response over here. And now, Manisha ji, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, yesterday I met her for a briefing. Or when you were narrating the entire thing to us, wo aankhon mein wo chamak thi. You know, how deeply have you gotten into this?
I think for us as a company, we've been associated with movies like D-Day and Airlift. Yes. We also made a TV show called POW, which is Prisoners of War. Making Batla House, a lot of people will think I've got a personal investment given the fact that it's Nick directing it. We share parents, that's why. But actually, somewhere there's you know, we forget about the fact that in playing the daily roles that we do in our lives as brothers, as sisters, as friends, as husbands, wives, we forget the fact that we are also patriots.
Right.
And being a patriot is not a choice. It's inbuilt in us. And when you hear films like this, stories like this, patriotism, I think, becomes a responsibility that all of us carry. With that, if we can add entertainment also, that's great. But really, this film makes us very proud. Right. I think all of us are very proud of it.
It's just superb. Thank you so much for that, Jawab. Madhuji, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, when Nikhil Advani makes a film, Farz, Duty, और इन सब की बात करते हैं तो एक अलग ही मजा आ जाता है. How do you see it, you know, when he's directing a film like this?
मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. क्योंकि D-Day हमारी पहली पिक्चर थी. जी. लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई पिक्चर. बट उसके बाद हमें काफ़ी बैकलैश झेलना पड़ा. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई थिंक दैट it's very exciting. You know, in our company we have directors who have trained under Nikhil, who have worked with him, who are now working with other genres. But the tent pole is with him, which is that this genre, like Ritesh said, he's the king of it. So it's very exciting, you know, and I think subjects like this galvanize everybody. हम नहीं सोचते हैं कि हम कौन हैं, क्या हैं. We are Indian. And that is, I think, the most important thing.
कहीं ना कहीं वो वापस से एकदम जब ऐसी चीज देखते हैं तो और आ जाता है ना? Sandeep, this one's for you, please. Collaborating with MA Entertainment, T Series, and you know, of course, आप हैं वहाँ पे, and not to forget the man, JA Entertainment. I address him अलग से, you know, एक पूरा वो खुद entity है अपने आप में. So how is it for you?
See, I'm from Delhi.
जी.
और जब ये encounter हुआ है वहाँ पे, तो मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा और इसके बारे में जानकारी इकट्ठी करने की कोशिश की. And at some point, one of my very dear friend made me to meet Ritesh.
जी.
कि I think he is the right guy जो ये subject लिख सकते हैं. तो हम लोगों ने काफ़ी समय स्क्रिप्ट पे साथ बिताया. And at some point हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि अभी से डायरेक्ट कौन करेगा. So एक साथ हमने लगा था, I think the guy who directed D-Day, he is the right guy who can do justice with this subject. So हम दोनों सर की बेल बजाने आ गए.
क्या बात है, बेल बजी और यहाँ पे हम सब के दिलो दिमाग में बेल बज रही है. So thank you so much for you know backing this wonderful thing. Nora, this one's for you. Are you John Abraham का lucky charm? मतलब like I don't know. I just want to
I
know.
think you have to ask him.
Is she? Is she?
She will be. After the 15th, you'll understand why.
Ooh, that was deep. कुछ आने वाला है, कुछ बहुत भयंकर आने वाला है. You're looking gorgeous, जितना भी
Thank you.
हमने यहाँ पे देखा. And thank you so much for being a part of this team. Mrunal, this one's for you.
The interesting thing, I mean, I want to say just go from. So when we showed the film to the subjects of who were there in the real encounter, they really came out very moved, and they said सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि जब आप बाटला हाउस वापस गूगल करोगे, the first person's photograph will come will be Nora Fateh after this.
Hit machine, you know. हम
No,
कह
but
सकते
you
हैं.
know what? Actually, I have to say something, which has nothing to do with what everyone's saying right now. I'm just so grateful that I'm in this film. I'm so grateful that I'm a part of this project, and that Nikhil sir and Bhushan Kumar sir and all of MA Entertainment T-Series put faith in me, and they had trust in me to actually act in this film, you know, which is going to be very surprising, and people will be really happy to see. And they gave me this platform and this opportunity, and I'm just taking this opportunity to say thank you guys so much. John, you too. Thank you, everybody.
I'm sure you're going to kill it this time too. Give it up for Nora, ladies and gentlemen. Ek baar. All right, Mrunal, this one's for you. You know, second buddy film. And, you know, when you look towards your left and your right, just take a look at this team. This is like the dream team. What do you have to say?
I'm very blessed. I'm very proud to be a part of this film because Batla House is just not an encounter. Batla House is, it's a journey, you know, altogether. What happened? I mean, I remember the day one when I met Nikhil sir. I just had tears in my eyes, and I didn't even know him. I was finding it inappropriate. I asked him, can I hug you? Can I hug you? Because that's the kind of impact the film that just one narration had. And the way Ritesh has written the film, I was really touched. And my family background also belongs to the police department. So I was very touched to this subject, and I really, by hook or by crook, I really wanted to be a part of Batla House, and I'm very proud of it.
Second film, and you're already dismantling guns and all.
Yeah. Absolutely.
All excited.
Yeah, getting ready.
Right. Welcome. मतलब official welcome हम कर लेते हैं
Thank you
यहाँ पे team
very
में. And now the man of the hour, ladies and gentlemen. All I want to ask you is, when we see something of this kind on the big screen, you know, हम लोग बहुत ऐसा deep कहीं चले जाते हैं, you know, we are in a trance कि यार हमें कुछ करना है देश के लिए. We want to do that, as we were talking about that jazba. How is it? How do you cope up with everything and look so cool on screen? And you know, वो